Welcome back to our channel, Elly and the family. Today we're gonna show you this place called Gigeryd. It's a family-run farm located just outside Bankeryd in Jönköping city. They grow strawberries and potatoes, and you can come and pick strawberries during summer around end of June until mid of July. It's different every year, so if you're interested to come, you need to check the opening time on their website. This is the queue. There are people, after they finish picking the strawberries, they need to pay here. So before we harvest the strawberries, we need to weigh the bucket first. So the bucket you can bring from your home, bring yourself, and they weigh it, they mark it, and then afterwards you can come back after you harvest and then weigh again. And they will deduct the bucket weight and you pay only the strawberries price. Hello, can I buy strawberries? Do you have strawberries here? That's stone. Okay, pretending. JJ is the customer. Lilla Torret means little market. Little square. That's the strawberry farm. So after weighing the bucket, we are going to walk to the farm over there.
Those is too red. So no, those ska vi inte plocka.
Då ska vi äta.
That is too ripe. Now we are at the strawberry farm. You see the strawberries, Elly? Yeah, it's a lot actually. You look there, big one. It's under the bushes. So we need to pick starting from that pole, little pole. From here, mommy? Or from here? Go, Elly. Pick.
DJ is so good.
So many under there.
They're so sweet.
Yeah, it is so sweet. Here. This one is good. This one is good. Elly, here, put it in the bucket.
They one there.
This one? This one is too small.
They need one more.
Here, this one is really good. Here.
That's
see?
too big.
No, it's not. Elly, here. How's it going, guys? You got a lot? Here. Do you want more, guys? Do we need to pick more? I think that's enough, right?
I think only one little
Yeah?
can is enough.
Yeah, okay. So this is the view at the Gigeryd strawberry farm. Today, we not only pick strawberries, but also play with our new DJI Neo 2 drone in this farm. But we will show you in another video about drone. Here's the bird eye view taken by the drone. And here's another angle also taken by the drone. You don't need any remote control or apps to control the drone. It can fly by itself and follow you, and you can control with your hand gesture. So we have harvested 2 full buckets. And how much does it cost, Mommy?
I heard 80 per kilo.
80 kroner per kilo. So do we have like 3 kilos here or more? 80 per kilo. Let's see how much it will cost later. Here it says that you can pay with cash, but you can also pay with Swiss. Swiss is a kind of direct money transfer system in Sweden, so you can do a transaction and transfer money from your bank account to the receiver's bank account directly anytime. For 2 buckets of strawberries like these, it's a little more than 3 kilograms and it costs 250 Swedish kronor. This price is much cheaper comparing to the supermarket, and their strawberry, unlike the supermarket one, this one tastes really sweet and has strong strawberry scents. This place is really nice to harvest strawberries during summer, and also the kids really had fun picking strawberries. So I really recommend to visit if you live nearby Jönköping city in Sweden. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments and make sure hit like and subscribe.